All right, everybody, bringing you another quick little review. This is a $7.99 knife off Amazon. So, not expecting too much out of this. Let's check it out. Oh man, look at that. This case. Sure, it's like a pleather. Knife itself. Yeah. So a little bitty old leather. I don't know exactly what you do with that. Box, leather, knife. Here we go. Here's what you get for $7.99. I like that the pocket clip only has one screw in it, so it kind of tells me it's going to twist on you. It does have a window breaker back here. Right off the bat, the blade is pushed to one side. It's fairly heavy for the size. Let's see what it looks like here. So there's the open view. Right off the bat, you see where they sharpened it and then kind of rose right there. Probably some sort of oil on it here, I would think. You can see on the tip here where they sharpened it and got a little into the paint. Sharpness on it, yeah. It's got a little blade on it. This side does look a lot better as far as when they sharpened it straight across. Does have a liner lock on it. It did lock up. Okay, well, it's not locking up anymore. Not sure what's going on there. Like I said, when you close it, yeah, when I close it, I feel it wanting to go to one side. It's actually rubbing the one side. I'll be honest with you, the action, I mean, it's not horrible for $8. I mean, it's weird. I guess it does lock up. Okay, so I'm really having to put some pressure on this blade to get that lock to engage. Yeah, this whole thing right here is super tight. Like I said, you can probably hear that. Hear that metal on metal when it closes. Like I said, it's wanting to push to one side. Yeah, $8 knife. Don't recommend it. I'll be honest with you, I don't recommend $8 knife. I don't know why somebody would use that. I guess the price, like I said, the price is right, I guess. Let's get some quick measurements here. Let's try this again. Well, maybe not. Seems like my scale's not wanting to zero out. Well, one way to do it, subtract 98 grams. Oh, well. Never mind on that. Never mind on that. But yeah, $7.99. So I would suggest step it up a little bit. The Flissa, $17.99. Put another $10 with it. The value goes up substantially. Smooth action. Locks up. You actually get a D2 blade on this one. I'm not sure. I think it's just stainless steel. Not sure what the metal is. Pocket clip difference, huge. The weight of this is actually substantially less than this by hand. But yeah, throw another $10 at it and get you a proper knife for sure. Like I said, $7.99, straight from China. Build quality, you know, is just not there. I mean, they mass produce these so fast. Like I said, I can't really recommend it. It does lock up, but not all the time. So, plus that, it's all to one side. I just don't see a whole lot of uses for that when there's, like I said, throw another $10, $20 at it, get you a proper knife. So anyway, there's a quick look at the $7.99 knife from Amazon. So questions or comments, leave them below. Appreciate it.